Hi Gemini, sa gawin na natin ang inyong love reading sa buwan ng February 2024. And remember na maaaring mag-resonate to in the next 3 to 6 months as well. So, this is collective reading Gemini. So, kung hindi kayo mag-resonate, then it means na hindi para sa inyo yung reading na to. Okay? So, kukuha tayo ng 5 baraha Gemini at ika-clarify natin isa-isa para makuha natin yung buong narrative ng inyong love story for whoever will resonate on this collective reading. Okay? Shuffle lang natin ng kaunti at kukuha tayo ng 5 cards para sa inyo, Gemini Collective. Okay. So, tingnan natin. Meron tayong peace. Meron tayong regeneration. Interesting to And round and round. TikTok. At to the sea. Okay? Second chances. Okay? Ang nararamdaman ko dito, may opportunity na maaari na dumating sa isang current or an old situation, no? Maaring mabuhay. Maaring magkaroon ng second chance, okay? Pero dito sa second chance na to, sabihin natin na it's up to the universe, to God, no? Kung ano yung paniniwala mo, no? Kasi nandiyan yung to the sea, hindi mo kinokontrol na magkaroon to ng second chance. But I think nasa horizon yan, no? In the coming month, if not February. Okay? So, remember yung second chance na to make sure lang din na kailangan mo protektahan yung peace mo. Okay? Kasi maaaring in the old cycle, no, sa connection na to. Or sa buhay mo medyo na-stress tayo dun sa love connection, no? Or sa relationship, or connection man yun, whatever pa yung level ng intimacy dyan or interest. Okay? So, ngayon, gusto mo this time, i-make sure na sa second chance or kung bibigyan ka ng time again na magmahal uli, no? You are old person to. Make sure that there's peace. Make sure na you're taking your time, no? At wag natin kontrolin kung saan to muna patutungo. So, relax lang. So, may involved na time to. So, parang sinasabi na time will tell. Parang gano'n, no? Kasi to the scene TikTok. Okay? So, sa current situation mo, para kasing ng love mo, no? Parang medyo sawa na rin tayo or fed up na tayo, paulit-ulit na lang, we meet the same kind of people. Pwedeng ganun, may ganun energy dito sa round and round, no? So, kailangan mong may gawin tayo, something about it na kakaiba or we tend to attract the same quality of people. Parang ganun, okay? Pero, i-clarify natin para mas makuha natin yung buong narrative. Clarify natin yung mga cards para sa ating Gemini. Okay? Collective reading to. So, kung mag-resonate sa inyo, para sa inyo to. If not, then skip. Okay? Now, yung peace clarified ng come to the edge. Okay? And then, yang. Yin, yeah. The yin. See, cannot make this up, in alignment ang regeneration na yin. At yung peace and come to the edge. Round and round, may a leg up. Okay. TikTok, sabihin ko sa'yo, may time na involved, may transition ka na kailangan gawin over this period, no? And loyal heart, okay. Ngayon, no, so, I felt like, kailangan mas maging at peace ka ngayon or comfortable ka sa kung anong, or kung saan ka kung saan ngayon yung relationship mo or yung love life mo at the moment. Okay? Kailangan maging comfortable and be at peace kasi nandiyan yung come to the edge, so mas open-minded ka sa mga risk, sa mga non-so-traditional na mga bagay na ginagawa mo before. Mas maging open-minded tayo doon sa mga things na kailangan nating itry and subukan. Okay? And ang sinasabi dito, mas ma-appreciate mo muna ngayon yung zen, yung calmness, no? Ng pagiging single, maybe. Okay? Kasi nandito yung come to the edge. Kung makikita mo to, no? Merong nakatayo dito na, alam mo na, egg. And then, ito, small piece of land lang. And the rest is open, no? So, kahit anong iba to sa'yo, pagdating sa isang connection or love, no, kailangan mas maging cheerful lang tayo. Okay? Take risk. Okay? Huwag matakot sa mag-take ng risk sa pag-ibig. And at the same time, always choose the path na payapa. Kung ang connection chaotic na, then get out. Lumayo tayo doon. Mag-walk out tayo doon. Always choose peace. Ngayon, may second chance na maaaring dumating, no? From an old or current flame. No? Kasi regeneration, ibig sabihin over and done na. Done and dusted, tapos na, then magugulat ka, may maaaring may bumalik. May mag-message. May mag-message, so be open sa communication dito. Huwag mo i-block kasi it could lead sa isang second chance or a second round na mag-connect kayo, okay? Nabuhayin muli yung connection or yung communication, okay? So, huwag tayong magba-block, okay? Maging receptive lang sa mga incoming na mga messages. Okay, sa situation mo naman, no? So, may situation kasi napapagod tayo, na maaari mong baguhin na, no? Parang napapagod tayo na laging tayo yung bigger person sa picture, tayo yung umuunawa, tayo yung nag-aaruga, okay? Or vice versa. Okay, maaaring isa sa energy na to kasi nakakapagod kasi hindi wala sa same page, no? Isa immature, isa matured. Okay, nakita mo to, baby bear and si mama bear na parang of course, yung isa dito kailangan mag-take charge lagi. Kasi clingy and dependable si mama bear, no? Clingy si baby bear, yo. So, may hindi match ang energy. Yun yung situation na parang nakakapagod, nakakadrain. Yung sinasabi round and round, no? Walang nagbago doon. So, sana may equal give and take sana, no? Ngayon, may time na involved sa change na to, transition. Don't worry kasi things will be better for you. Okay? In the next 6 months, probably. Kasi, nakita mo to from gray to colorful, yung transition mo. There is a process here. So, nasa gitna ka pa, somewhere in between. Hindi ka pa completely nakaka-transition sa fresh start, a breath of fresh air, or a new perspective. Okay? May process yan. Don't worry. It may take time. Kasi ako, nasa 5th month na ako ng, since last time nakausap yung I was connecting with, but, eventually, naka-transition naman ako at the 5th month, parang, tanggap ko na, nasa acceptance stage ako and fully accepted ko na yung situation that it's over and done. Parang ganun yung mangyayari dyan, no? Everything needs time, kaya iba-iba tayo ng coping mechanism. Ngayon naman, Gemini, no, to the sea, you're not controlling the connection anymore. Okay, yung soulmate mo may be somewhere out there and you're willing na sana, ibagsak na lang ng universe sa'yo or dalhin ka doon ng tadhana or ng mga pagkakataon. Okay? Itong loyal heart. Or somewhere there also sa soul journey mo, sa soul searching mo, no? It's okay naman din na lumayo. Okay? Mag-navigate to a different direction, no? While loving someone. Wala namang problema doon. Okay? So, yeah. So, I think it's a complicated situation for you but be ready lang na may maaaring bumalik at mabuhay muli dito na connection. Okay? So, sana nag-resonate kayo sa inyong love reading din, Gemini. And I'll see you guys on your next month reading. Take care. God bless, Gemini. Mahal ko kayo. Bye!